Yeah, good morning. It's Jim from jagfx.com. It is Thursday, the 6th of March, 2025. I'm just going to go over a few pairs I'm trading, or there's new trades for today on the daily time frame. This is Forex pairs using the high probability and divergence trading methods from my books. So basically, there's a few new trades. So we'll start with the first one. Aussie USD, we've taken a new buy this morning. It's a blue QMP filter dot. The MACD Platinum, which is this zero lag MACD, is below the zero level. There was regular bullish divergence there, which is a bit ugly, pretty hard to spot, followed by hidden bullish divergence. So we've got the two divergences. Normally it's the other way around. Normally it's hidden followed by regular, but in this case it's the opposite. These green levels are just big round numbers. That's a 60 cent. That's a 65 cent. There's been a lot happening. Obviously got the tariff wars going off on the US. The Trump administration's just probably annoying half the planet at the moment. So the market is fairly volatile, which is good for us if you're traders. We need a bit of momentum. The only thing I don't like here is the MACD Platinum's not too far below the zero level. Remember, I'm looking to buy when it's below the zero level and sell when it's above the zero level. But there's a new buy today at that level there. Buy. This previous stuff here was a sell. It stopped out for profit last night, so don't worry about that too much. You can see my sell level there, closed half, moved my stop down and stopped out for profit. So that's the Aussie USD, new buy trade this morning. Aussie Swiss franc, I'm still in a sell from back. There's been a couple. You can read the notes there for the sell trades. That's a sell entry level there. There's a stop loss. Can't lose on them, so it's all good. This morning, new buy this morning. See the MACD Platinum's a long way below the zero level. Blue QMP filter dot. That's just these red and blue dots on the price chart. Had this big low here, big support level, sort of broke through. It didn't really stay down. Hit this previous low and had one of those, I'm not sure what you call those candles there. Then a big bullish candle. Took the buy this morning, new buy signal. So we're at 56445. So it's trade one on the buy. So it's new buy. There's no divergence to speak of, but it's all these support levels. That's a big bullish candle too. That's Aussie Swiss. New Zealand USD. Now there's a bit of correlation here, obviously, because the first one was the Aussie USD. Second was the Aussie Swiss. Now we've got the New Zealand USD. New Zealand USD and Aussie USD tend to move pretty much the same. We got hidden bullish divergence here. Again, the MACD Platinum's very close to the zero level. It's an ugly. If you had a choice between the Aussie and the New Zealand, I'd probably be more inclined to take the Aussie. I've taken both. We've had a big long move down. We've got down to this 55 cent level, and it's sort of bounced around that, and we're grinding up slowly, slightly higher highs and slightly higher lows. Well, other than that spike there, and this one, but it's just all a bit ugly. And as I said, there's a lot happening with the US dollar at the moment. So it's a new buy today, 57307. These previous trades, S1 was a sell, took a sell, hedge buy, second sell, closed all them out at roughly for a small loss, but I had a loss recovery here, which covered that loss there, so it's all good. But they're finished. I just leave these on the charts because I do a weekly video for my members, and not my members, my readers of my books, and so I just advise them of those ones that have been stopped out. What else we got? CAD, USD CAD. New sell trade today. Still in this buy trade from the 25th of Feb. Got a stop and place, already closed half. Can't lose on the buy trade. Stops just above the entry level. couldn't really push the stop up much higher. Got this new sell signal today. Again, hidden bearish divergence. Take the sell, red QMP filter dot there. You just see it through the red line. MACD platinum's above the zero level in sell mode. So we've got a sell, still in the buy, can't lose. Sell at 143313. Right, last is the US Singapore dollar. Now this is not a, oh, pardon me, been suffering all week with a cold. Now this is not a valid sell signal, even though I've taken a sell today. Now this is a traditional hedging. So this is sequence one. It was a buy. It's gone, the MACD platinum's below the zero level. It was a buy. There was hidden bullish divergency, which I liked. Took the buy. Didn't go give me any opportunity to do any trade management. I've got the sell signal, so I took a hedge sell. So I just lock in my loss between these two levels. It's gone down, and then we've got really hasn't gone that far. New buy signal. So now we've got regular bullish divergence. Took the buy there. It didn't go up. The MACD platinum still hasn't gone through the zero level, and we've got a sell signal today, so I've taken a second hedge sell. So basically hedged at the moment. So the MACD platinum still below the zero level, even though it's grinding up slowly, price is grinding down. So there's a fair bit of divergence there. The loss recovery, so the first trade was a buy. As soon as we got the opposite QMP dot, we closed the buy for a loss. I'm only taking loss recovery trades on this when they're valid. So I took one of this second buy, took a second buy there, and we had a loss because we got an opposite QMP filter dot today. So I took another loss. So my total loss to date is $281.61. Now waiting on a valid MACD setup for trade 3. In this case, with the MACD platinum below the zero level, I'm waiting on another buy. If for some reason the MACD platinum goes above the zero level, then it gives a sell signal, then that'll be my valid signal. So that's not a valid sell. That's not a standalone sell, this one. Today it's just a hedge, just protection trade. It's the way I trade. I do multi-sequence hedging, traditional hedging, loss recovery just based on the QMP filter dots, and loss recovery based on the MACD Platinum's valid setups. Also do a bit of dollar cost averaging on another watch list. So I've got a fair bit going. All right, boys and girls, thanks for watching the video. Much appreciated, and enjoy your day and stay safe wherever you may be. Cheers.